All right, I found a calculator on a website in case you don't have one at home where you can use to reduce fractions and things like that. Under the calculator tab, I put it on here. You can just click on this and it'll take you to a website. So for example, if you can use this right here to input a fraction, or you can enter it as a division problem. But let's say I have 14 over 2, and it gives me my answer right over there. But let's say I have one that is just going to reduce, let's say maybe 22 over 4, so you can use the division to do that. It gives you 5.5, but if you click on this, it converts it to the reduced fraction, so 11 over 2. So as you are doing problems that allows you, or you need to reduce fractions, use this calculator, play around with it, but it's good information that's readily available.